Hi everyone, welcome. Today I have Skullcandy Crusher ANC 2 headphones and I'm going to show you how can you easily rename it in your Android phone. Let's get started. First we have to scroll down onto our control panel, then we have to head into our Bluetooth. Now, as you can see, there's our device Crusher ANC 2. We have to go into settings, clicking this gear icon over there. Now, as you can see in top right corner, there is a pen. We will click on this pen, and now we can edit and rename our device. For example, HardReset, but you can call it your name or something like that. After that, you just have to click rename. That's it. Hope it helps you. Goodbye.